The Canon EOS R6 Mark III stands as a revolutionary milestone in Canon's mirrorless camera evolution, a perfect blend of innovation, speed, and versatility that continues to redefine what hybrid creators can achieve. Designed for both professional photographers and advanced filmmakers, the R6 Mark III pushes beyond the boundaries set by its predecessors, offering a refined full-frame sensor, next-generation image processing, and a deeply intelligent autofocus system that ensures stunning accuracy in every shot. Canon has taken all the feedback from the R6 and R6 Mark II and transformed it into a new creative powerhouse that feels faster, smarter, and more reliable than ever. The upgraded 30-plus megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor produces breathtaking image quality with extraordinary color depth, sharpness, and dynamic range, allowing creators to capture every tone from the deepest shadows to the brightest highlights. Backed by Canon's latest DIGIC X processor, this camera delivers faster readout speeds, superior noise reduction, and exceptional low-light performance, with ISO levels extending up to 102,400, giving photographers the freedom to shoot confidently in dimly lit environments while preserving details and texture. The Canon R6 Mark III's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system represents a leap in subject recognition and precision tracking. Powered by deep learning algorithms that identify and lock onto subjects such as human eyes, animals, birds, and vehicles with impressive consistency. Whether you're capturing wildlife in motion or a bride walking down the aisle, the autofocus system ensures your subject stays razor-sharp even at high frame rates. Speaking of speed, the R6 Mark III offers up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter, giving sports photographers and action shooters an edge that few cameras in its class can match. On the video side, Canon has truly elevated the R6 Mark III into a hybrid beast capable of recording 6K RAW internally, oversampled 4K at 60 frames per second, and full HD slow motion up to 180 FPS for ultra-smooth cinematic visuals. With support for 10-bit 4.2.2 color, Canon Log 3, and HDR-PQ, this camera provides extensive flexibility for color grading and post-production workflows, ensuring that filmmakers can extract maximum detail and dynamic range from their footage. Canon's color science remains among the best in the industry, delivering rich, accurate skin tones and cinematic hues straight out of the camera. Heat management has also been vastly improved, meaning longer recording sessions without the thermal limitations that affected earlier models. The in-body image stabilization system now compensates up to 8 stops when paired with compatible Canon RF lenses, making handheld shooting buttery smooth and stable, even during challenging motion shots. For vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and travel content creators, this stabilization alone can eliminate the need for a gimbal in many scenarios, freeing up mobility and simplifying production setups. Ergonomically, the Canon R6 Mark III maintains a compact yet professional body design that feels balanced and intuitive in hand, featuring a deep, comfortable grip and customizable controls that adapt to your shooting style. The fully articulating vari-angle LCD touchscreen makes it easy to frame shots from any angle. Whether you're filming yourself for YouTube, shooting low to the ground, or capturing creative overhead perspectives. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder offers a crystal-clear preview of exposure, color, and focus, ensuring accuracy in every composition. Dual SD card slots allow secure data backup during critical shoots, while the improved LPE6NH battery extends runtime for longer sessions. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C make sharing, remote control, and live streaming effortless, turning the R6 Mark III into a complete tool for the modern digital creator. This camera is not only about hardware, but also about Canon's seamless ecosystem integration, with smooth compatibility across RF and adapted EF lenses, giving users access to Canon's legendary glass lineup. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III competes fiercely against rivals like the Sony a7 IV, Nikon Z6 III, and Panasonic S5 II, yet it stands apart with its superior autofocus tracking, color reproduction, and unmatched reliability in both stills and video modes. For photographers, it's a dream machine that captures fleeting moments with precision. And for filmmakers, it's a cinematic workhorse capable of delivering professional-grade visuals without the complexity or cost of larger cinema systems. Canon has also implemented refined thermal design, a more intuitive menu system, and enhanced wireless features, ensuring that the camera feels modern, fast, and efficient. When it comes to color science, Canon continues to lead. Skin tones, landscapes, and low-light scenes all carry the company's signature warmth and accuracy. delivering beautiful results straight out of camera. For creators working across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, the R6 Mark III doubles as a high-end live streaming camera thanks to its direct USB output and webcam functionality, offering professional clarity without additional equipment. Pair that with Canon's advanced eye-tracking autofocus during streaming or vlogging, and you get a consistent, professional-grade visual experience. Its lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy body offers excellent weather sealing, making it a dependable companion for outdoor and travel photographers who face unpredictable conditions. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III embodies everything that creators expect in 2025: cutting-edge technology, seamless usability, and an aesthetic designed for professionals who demand both speed and precision. Whether you're a content creator, wedding shooter, wildlife photographer, or independent filmmaker, the R6 Mark III adapts effortlessly to your workflow, delivering extraordinary quality in every frame. Canon has clearly aimed to future-proof this camera, ensuring it stands strong in an era where hybrid performance defines success. In every sense, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is more than a camera. It's a statement of what's possible when engineering excellence meets creative ambition. It delivers that perfect balance of performance, innovation, and user experience that makes it one of the most complete, full-frame mirrorless cameras ever made. For those seeking a single device capable of professional stills, cinematic video, and reliable autofocus under any condition, the Canon R6 Mark III remains a gold standard. It's the perfect choice for those ready to elevate their craft, push boundaries, and capture their world with uncompromised clarity and depth. Proof that Canon continues to lead the mirrorless revolution with confidence, precision, and the kind of creative freedom that inspires the next generation of photographers and filmmakers alike.